Good boy. He's walking nicely. Good job. Let's see that sit stay. Sit. There you go. Go ahead and drop your line. It's a good boy. Good, good, good. You want to try the down there? Give him a little leash pressure there. There you go. Good boy. Go ahead and walk away. He's going to chew on something while he's there. Says, he'll take the opportunity. He looks quite offended. What are you guys doing to me? It's funny. Good, good, good. Go ahead and tell him to heel. Good. You want to show the place command next? Good boy. Go ahead and drop your line. Circle around him one time. And then you can walk away whenever you're ready. Good. He knows what that means. He does real good with that. All right, let's end with a sit, and then you can release him and show me the come command. You can go to your end of your leash and do a come command from a sit, or you can release him and do a come. Sit. Now let's try that finish. Say the heel to give him a little tip on good. Good. Excellent. He did really good. Now let's leave him there in that sit stay for just a sec. Walk away. Good. And then you can come back and release him and give him lots of love. Lots of love.
Good boy. Good boy.
All right. Good job, Stoli.